Hey, it's Weed again. What's going on? So here is some information about Connect for you to find how to get access to it the easiest way and also potentially make it more organized for you. So once you log into your section of PHED 1164 Introduction to Physical Fitness and Wellness, don't be concerned about the days and dates for this class. Might not be yours. That's okay. The important thing is that you notice right here is a welcome about the class and some different information down here. The beginning of the semester quiz, which is available to you. There are 9 Connect quizzes, so that means you need to register for Connect to be able to be academically successful, and some other details that are going down here. And there's also a link here for you to check out if you're having any struggles from McGraw-Hill Connect, the PDF here. So going back, if you go up here to the tabs on the top here, and this is me as a student, if you go to content, on the left-hand side here are the items that are available to you. So we have a table of contents, your syllabus, first day PowerPoint, how to fill out the training log, 5-paragraph essay, final exam review, bonus material, etc. And if you travel down here the whole way to Connect, you can click on this document. And this will get you to the course that you need to have, which this class is PHED 1164-6305. And so you click on that and then you follow the directions. It's going to be different for me because I am the professor of record. But there is a 2-week free trial which you can use. There is also the paid version. If you go through Connect, I believe it is $55 plus tax. There is no hard copy of the book. It is an ebook. And again, it is necessary for academic success. For ease of use for me, if you use your Lone Star email address, then your grades will transfer from Connect directly to D2L, and you will be able to find all of those different grades that are listed right here, as you see. So if you have any questions about the course, remember, you can go back here to announcements, which provide some information. If you're having specific Connect questions, go right here. You can always ask me in class as well. Thanks.